Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up with the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really does help out with that vicious algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't already, it's free. I am so excited to be here to go ahead and share with you a wonderful pin unboxing. Happy Thanksgiving for everyone who's celebrating it.
Oh honey, Thanksgiving? Oh honey, thanks living!
I hope you're having a wonderful time with your family or your chosen family.
Then again, as gay people, we get to choose our family.
Now this special pin unboxing is, of course, Invader Zim. I believe 2 years ago I had done an Invader Zim pin unboxing on Thanksgiving, so I thought I'd go ahead and bookend that experience today with you all. See if we can complete this amazing set. These are pins featuring characters from Invader Zim, and they're in TVs. Now, if you're not hanging out with family, you are watching television today, whether it's the game or the Macy's Thanksgiving Parade, which I never miss. Personally, I will not go there in person because it's just so many people from out of town. And by the time everything is over, they're just like looking around like confused, like, what do we do now? Which is pretty hard because, you know, it's Thanksgiving. So it's like, there's not much else going on. I love this set because it's featuring two versions of Gur, one in his costume and in his robot form. And it has this random pig, which he fly around on. We have Zim there screaming. We have Gaz and we have Dib, the siblings there. Now this show is a little sentimental for me because I watched it a lot with my brothers. My mother used to call it the screaming show because Zim screams all the time. And there's just a bunch of chaotic energy and it's the best, and it makes me think of my childhood for sure. These aren't Loungefly pins, they're made from Buckle Down, which is interesting. I have 8 in total, there's a total of 6, so let's go ahead and get started. Starting with box number 1. Okay, these are blind bags, so that's great. We have the tear strip here. Who do we get? First one's always the best because it's not a dupe. And we have, oh yay! We have this gorgeous Gur, and he's glittery. Oh my gosh, how amazing. So that's him screaming probably for tacos. But it does say Nickelodeon in the back. And he has this wonderful purple TV framed here. It's a futuristic TV. There's just so much movement into it, and his eyes, oh my gosh, this is crazy. It's a huge pin. And this is what the back looks like. Box number 2. Okay, here we go. Who do we get? Here we get. Let me see. Yeah, this is to you. We have. Okay, we have Dib. These are all glittery. Okay, that's awesome. I was not expecting them to be all glittery. This is even better. Again, wonderful size pins. They have good weight to them. Very, very cool. Okay, Buckle Down. And these aren't soft enamel. These are hard enamel pins. Here's what the back looks like. Dib in the series is the only one who knows that Zim is an alien.
Okay. Am I the only one here who sees the alien sitting in class? Right there! That is no kid. He's an alien.
And no one believes him.
Aw, not this again. You're crazy.
And if his dad, who is like the smartest man on the planet, Professor Membrane, definitely does not believe him.
Dad! They're coming! I heard them! I actually heard them! I was up on the roof and I heard this transmission was coming through!
Shh, not now, son. I'm making toast.
Which really mucks things up for Dib. Really great. Love him. This is such a wonderful pin. Okay, box number 3. And we have... Boo. We have another Gur, but he's so cool. So he'll make for a good trader, hopefully. Box number 4. Okay, box number 4, and we have... Okay, not a duplicate. We have the pig. Oh my gosh, super cute, super random, but I mean, not really many people are like, huh? This is the most pin I want, but whatever. He's so adorable, even with that creepy expression. He's not blocking these other elements of the TV, So you get to see those. So very cool. Okay, we're halfway through. This is box number 5. Face it to y'all and yes! We have the title character himself, Zim. And there he is, pointing at you as he tells you for the umpteenth time how he's going to take over the world. Funniest backstory to this character. I really do recommend, if you have not seen Invader Zim, go watch it. Especially as an adult, it's just even much more hilarious to appreciate all the jokes. Plus the creator was definitely ahead of his time. That's the back of what this pin looks like. Box number 6. Also, if you don't know where to find it, you can find it at Paramount Plus and Amazon Prime. Number 6, and we have another Gur. Okay, so Gur is going to be the life ruiner of this video. But he's very popular. People really do love Gur. He's just adorable. Y'all, that means we only have 2 left and 2 chances to complete this set because we already used them on Gur. Okay, box number 7. Now the nerves are setting in. Number 7, and it is. Boo! We will not be completing the set today because we have Zim!
I am Zim!
Okay, we have 1 box left. It's either going to be Gaz or Robot Gur. So, oh my gosh. Send me all the positive vibes to the screen right now. Please. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. And it is. Boo. Thwarted by the piggy.
Everything is smooth and...
So all in all, it was a 50-50. So let's go ahead and see them all together. Here are the 4 that I've got out of the 6. So what I love is that the characters are coming off of the frame and it makes it a lot more dynamic. I didn't mention it, but this pewter part here is actually part of the pin itself, but it is lacquered over, so it does have a sheen to it. And they sparkle beautifully, and that's such a great detail. Here are the dupes. My gosh. If you are Invader Zim pin collector or you like Invader Zim in general, please go ahead and hit me up on Instagram and we can go ahead and see if we can trade out so I can complete this set. Granted, again, I got it from Pink a la Mode at a great discount, so this wasn't a huge loss. Thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful special day. Again, I'm so grateful for you guys being here. I'm grateful in general for the wonderful year we've had together this far. Huge thank you to all my subscribers. Your support means the world to me. Please continue to like, comment, and share this video out with somebody you think that might like it. Also, be sure to have that bell notification set to all so you're notified for future videos like this one. This is a bonus episode, so there will be an episode out tomorrow on Friday, so please go ahead and stay tuned for that. Be safe, tell someone that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!
It's me! I was the turkey all along!
I was wondering what that turkey was doing there.